Hey there, scrappy friend. Suzanne back in the studio today for day 4 of Kit a Day. Can you believe it? I'm being consistent for 4 days in a row. It's totally not like me. Okay, today we are going to use Stampin' Up's Carried Away Designer Series paper. And this features a really pretty color palette. It's got Mint Macaron, Night of Navy, Peekaboo Peach, Smoky Slate, Watermelon Wonder, and Whisper White. So let's look at the paper, shall we? Well, of course, here is the iconic paper. Look at all those beautiful balloons. And then on the back, we've got this pretty watermelon. And then we've got balloons over a city map. Here a little more. And then just little bitty balloons. Then we have balloons over the mountains or hills and valleys. And then we have clouds and even more balloons. And the back side of that one. And then let's add in a little scallop and more balloons. And then we've got a gray dot. And then this pretty peach. Okay, let me move this over just a little bit. Okay, now a lot of these I did not have exact matches on Stampin' Up, but I can always add some more in. I've been sort of white and the navy and the peach and the gray and the green, not so much the watermelon. Oops, that's my little note. Although if I find some cardstock that's real close, I will add it in, but I'm real happy with that as a start. Now, I've been doing this for 4 days, so it's time to really see if I can't mix it up a little bit as to what I'm putting in the kits. I'm going to move this over. I want this balloon paper to show a little more. Okay, so I was really challenging myself to see what I could find. Okay, here we have some Cocoa Vanilla Great Escape chipboard. The colors in this are soft enough that I think they'll go. The grays and the greens. So I'm going to add that in. Got a couple of alphas. Here's a little white one. And a navy. And a black. And then I found this Jelly Bean Soup that had the green and the gray and the yellow. I think some of that'll go. And then I had some leftover stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. Just half of this pack. So again, we've got the green. It's a little bit bolder green, but I think it's going to blend, and the orange should certainly work. Okay, then of course we have to have some stamps. So I had this Bow Bunny one with a balloon on it. I think that's going to work great. I also had this balloon die from, who makes this? Memory Box. I found some Travel Evilicious On Our Way puffy stickers. And then this way, some more puffy stickers. And then I actually had the cards for each of those as well. So that should work well. A lot of those colors match up well. I just went to my little bin of dots that were already cut up, and I pulled all the colors I needed from there. I came across this Fresh Cut by Basic Gray, and it had some interesting colors in it. It had some of the dark flowers So I think some of these cards might work. We'll have to see. It may, if it's not as close as I think it is when I actually get into every little piece. I found just a little bit of flowers from Park Lane. This package of arrows and geo markers and hearts. I thought that would go well. I thought then I needed to start looking in some other place for some other things. Obviously with the balloon and the skies, I found punches. I have 3 of this. I have this in 3 sizes. These squeeze punches on the clouds. So those are a must-have for this kit. Okay, I decided to put some wood in. This one here has people and travel kinds of wood, so I'm going to put that in. Sorry for the glare there. Better put this down here. I found this tangerine colored twine that really goes well with this color that I'm having a hard time matching, so I threw that in. I went to the first of my washi tape boxes that seemed to have a lot of the colors that I needed. So this was actually out of box 3, so I put them on this little ring so I remember where they go back. And we've got cameras and this travel and this dark blue, so I think that's a good assortment. I hadn't been putting washi tape in. And then I went to my die cut binder, and here are some ones about home life. So some of those can be used. I think those are from Domestic Bliss, maybe by Simple Stories back in the day. And then I found some others and just put them in the back side here. We've got these. I think these were maybe from Studio Calico or one of the other kit companies. So I will put this whole thing in here. And then I had recently got this. It's just so cute. So, have a nice day, chipboard accents. So I thought I would throw that in as well. So there, I think I've tried to add in a few different things this time. So we'll see how it works out. All right, as always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.